Hello, greetings from Boonery. In today's topic of health and fitness, we will see the benefits of coriander leaves. Not many people like coriander leaves in their food, but this herb is actually very beneficial. How? Watch ahead. The leaves of the coriander plant are an indispensable part of Indian cooking. Be it in soups that are garnished with coriander or gravies with toppings of coriander or any variety of curries that have coriander, and even dals are presented with coriander. It's a must in Indian cooking. Why? Because it's cheap and you don't have to struggle to search for it. It's easily available. Hence, it's used in garnishing. After cooking any meal, if you miss the vibrant green color of the coriander leaves, it's just like something's amiss. Therefore, after any dish is prepared, your final presentation always includes coriander leaves, as it adds a pleasant aroma to the richness of the food. What is another benefit? Coriander helps to control blood pressure. Coriander is also good for the stomach, as it helps produce more digestive enzymes and juices. What is its function? Leaves of coriander provide relief from digestive problems with the help of these enzymes, and thus help to prevent a queasy stomach, pushing out the waste from our body. Coriander is also good for our eyes, mouth, and bones. How? Take a look. Coriander is also helpful in prevention of infections like conjunctivitis. Usually, when we have an eye infection, the doctor prescribes eye drops that soothes our eyes. Some of these eye-related medicines are actually made with coriander origins. In earlier days, there were no eye drops or medicines, so coriander was used as a natural remedy. Pour a tablespoon of coriander seeds in a glass of water and leave it overnight. Next morning, use this water as eye drops. This helps to give you relief from itchy eyes. This ancient remedy still works. Coriander is good for oral health too. It helps to treat problems like bad breath. Nowadays, we use toothpastes. But even before toothpaste came into being, people used coriander seeds to get rid of bad breath. Or another benefit is that coriander can also help in preventing mouth ulcers from getting worse or to treat them effectively. Coriander also boosts healthy bones. It is recommended to include coriander in our daily diet, as it can help with durability and prevention of bone degeneration. Coriander leaves are specifically beneficial for women too. How? Watch ahead. As for women's monthly menstrual cycle and the cramps that they face, what can they do? Coriander can help in this regard too. It helps reduce menstrual cramps. A suggestion is to soak coriander seeds overnight in water and consume next morning for maximum benefits. There's another benefit that I'd like to explain. some do face the problem of irregular menstrual periods. The menstrual date is delayed and the cycle pattern is irregular. In such cases too, drinking coriander water can lead to proper menstrual cycle. Other than health, fresh coriander is an effective treatment for beauty-related problems. What helps to reduce acne and blackheads? Applying the paste of coriander leaves and lime juice on your face can help. Coriander also has the tendency to absorb oil from your face. It helps to reduce the oil on our face. Some people have a problem with dry or chapped lips. What can be done to treat that? Usually, we spend money on chemical and processed lip balms. But instead of this method, you can remove them naturally. Coriander can help in this regard. How? Let me explain. Mix coriander juice and lemon juice and apply it on your lips before going to sleep daily. Do this for nearly a week or so and you will see the difference that your lips have turned from chapped and dry to soft and supple. Coriander is indeed very beneficial.